Hi there. So basically you have completed the basics, like very basics of PHP, which gives you information about how the programming works. Yeah. Now we are going to one of the part which is going in the web development, more in web. Yeah. So you can see the page is open called PHP sessions. Now, what is PHP sessions? Yeah, you know, maybe the someone saying that, oh, session hijacking and something like session stealing. Yeah, session is basically the information which is stored as server side to identify the client. Let's say you have the three mobiles or three devices attached to the router. Now when you open the router's admin page, then you know, okay, this is the names of this device, and you can disconnect that devices from that router admin page, like D-Link or TP-Link router admin page. Now how they are knowing that these devices are connected? Because there's something stored inside the router. There is something called memory inside the router. This is storing the whole thing, like how many devices connected and updating every some seconds. Yeah, like this one. So now this is session. Exactly, the session is looking like this in the web. Yeah, so session is like storing something on the website, and one thing is different, that cookie. Yeah, the main difference and confusion in these things are cookie and session. Session will store at server, cookie will store in your browser like Safari or Chrome. So cookies can be accessed by the third party application or extension, but session can't be accessed because it is on the server. Yeah, and you will every time send something to server will use your session to identify you and resolve your request. It is basically nowadays used for the things like authentication and knowing you, but before it was introduced for the preventing the server DDoS attack. Like many clients at the same time requesting for one resource, yeah, from the same IP, then they have done the logic by the session, like, okay, then stop the resource only one time, send the thing. Yeah, so session is basically, you can start using this session start function, you can end using the session end function. Yeah, so yeah, it will be here somewhere here, session end. Yeah, session destroy and unset. Okay, now let's start in the our this is sessions. Okay, now session underscore start, session underscore unset, and session underscore destroy. I will comment this function. Now if I want to store something in session, then it will store here like dollar underscore session, and my like username is Mr. Joe. Yeah, now I am echoing dollar underscore session and username here in this page. So it will be in the session. What is the sessions? Okay, sessions page, Mr. Joe. Now I am writing in the whole old page, our old page, which is index here. Yeah, I am writing the same string here, session start, and echo dollar underscore session username. Now what you think, what will happen? You can see the magic. Using global, you can pass the variable inside the function, but using session, you can pass the variable inside your pages, different pages. Yeah, and the same thing can be achieved by the cookie. Yeah, but session is this one. Okay, I don't want to use the session by another page, then here, and if I go back and refresh, then there is no session. Unset is basically session ID is there, but session has no value. And destroy means session ID is destroyed, whole session ID is destroyed. So basically after this function I will not access, oh, there is access after destroy, but unset you can't access. This is strange, I don't know this one, a new thing, maybe the bug or something. Yeah, after destroying the session you can still access the value of the session, but in the same page, not in this page. Okay, so this is the difference. After destroying the session you can use the variable of the session in the same page but not in different page, and after unsetting the session you can't use anything on the same or different page. So this is the sessions. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. In next video we are going to learn about the cookies. Yeah.